jersey number 10, Kumin M. Arun Singh, jersey number 13, Ahom Sambam Rakesh, jersey number 14, S. Boksai, jersey number 18, Kiwi Shenyu Pishi, jersey number 19, Hijab Sundar Singh, jersey number 29, Suchantan Raghu, jersey number 30, Robinson Boksai, jersey number 21, Mojan Anse, goalkeeper of the team, jersey number 33, Komal Chandra Par, jersey number 24, Lalit. Substitute of the team, jersey number 1, Saibon Priyojit Singh, jersey number 3, Inamul Haq, jersey number 4, Arpapon Tibo, jersey number 6, Loy Kabam Maite, jersey number 9, Malen, jersey number 11, Farhan, jersey number 15, Temson Tiso, jersey number 16, Cleven, jersey number 17, Rajdan, jersey number 24, Mukesh Timu. Team coach, Loitombam Kamalakanta Singh, manager, Vaishnav Bay. Players and officials of Kaino Library and Sports Association, jersey number 1, Sanatan, jersey number 2, Kishan, jersey number 3, Clinton, jersey number 5, Kabiraj, jersey number 9, Ronald, jersey number 10, Ronald, jersey number 14, Lambamba, jersey number 19, Praveen, jersey number 22, Momoja, captain of the team, jersey number 23, Bekham, jersey number 26, Surchandra. Official of the team, coach of the team, Apuro Sabasek, manager, Janambam Ranjit Singh. Substitute of Karnataka Morningstar FC. Substitute of Kaino Library Sports Association. James, jersey number 4, jersey number 6, Robin, jersey number 7, Dammi, jersey number 11, Manikchan, jersey number 15, Prenjit, jersey number 21, Torres, jersey number 27, Vikas, jersey number 28, Angelo, jersey number 29, Delson, jersey number 23, goalkeeper Charan. Officials of today's match, referee Tanmay Dhar, assistant referee 1 Ashraful Alam, assistant referee 2 Manoj Kumar Sahu, fourth official Kinsamfar Lindo Nambung. Match commissioner Mr. Rajiv Chaudhary, referee assistant Piyush Biswas. Lasikato kamera bhasta mein ingsamjin men labangso ke pathu kelan runji labane arok dingaro ma chipino ni bali chuni roigo non malangso pe apio de leto labangso ailing 3 kasa ke pathu akamlo kedo